listen to the bird song, and let the beauty of nature wash over you. Thrills for all ages. Traveling with kids, Clifton Hill. Amusement park is the place to be. From thrilling roller coasters like the Vortex to family-friendly rides like the Niagara Skywheel and arcade games, there's something for everyone. Grab some classic Canadian snacks like poutine and maple candy and enjoy a day of laughter and excitement, a taste of local life. But Niagara Falls isn't just about the big attractions. For a taste of local life, head to the bustling Niagara Farmers Market. Sample fresh produce from local farms, browse handcrafted souvenirs, and indulge in delicious treats like fruit pies and maple syrup donuts. It's a great way to connect with the community and experience the unique charm of the region. Tantalize your taste buds, and no trip to Niagara Falls is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. From fresh seafood caught in the nearby waters to juicy steaks cooked to perfection, there's something to tantalize every taste bud. Don't forget to try the decadent poutine, a Canadian classic of fries, gravy, and cheese curds, or indulge in sweet treats like maple syrup ice cream and pecan pie, memories that last a lifetime. So, whether you're seeking thrills, serenity, or simply a taste of Canadian charm, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. Pack your sense of adventure, your appetite for excitement, and your camera, because memories made at Niagara Falls are sure to last a lifetime. And who knows, maybe you'll even chase a rainbow or two. But remember, Niagara Falls is a living, breathing wonder, and there's always something new to discover. So, explore, wander, and get lost in the magic of this natural masterpiece. You won't regret it.